Hello Paul, hello Kishore. I thought I will make this video for you guys uh, because it's the first time I'm trying this recipe. I say trying because I never cooked this particular recipe before. It's of mutton dish. This dish is called Junglee Maas. Junglee Maas. Maas is a meat. So the history behind this dish is the king in the ancient time who used to go for hunting, because they had to take very few things with them. They used to cook this dish with very few ingredients like red chili and the mutton and the ghee and the salt. That's all. I'm not a chef. I'm not an expert cook, but of course I'm just tour guide, I can say, and I have cooked for my tourists who stayed at my homestay. This looks very simple dish, but I think it is very challenging because it has only 4 ingredients. One is mutton, which is goat meat. I have taken a half kilo of mutton. Second ingredient is ghee. So this is half cup of ghee I have taken. Third ingredients are dried chilies. Almost 16 dried chilies I have taken, because they are not much spicy. If they are spicy, maybe you can take 3/4 of this. And the fourth ingredient is salt. I have taken a rock salt here. And fifth is a water. So we'll see how I will have to add water, because I have to go on adding water slowly as it getting cooked. So difficult to say how much quantity of water it will require, but at the moment I have taken 1 glass of water, and we'll see how it goes, how the recipe goes. For me also it is the first time, and I hope it result into good delicious dish. So it's the first time I'm going to cook this dish, this particular mutton dish, with using only 5 ingredients including water. I have taken this pressure cooker, and in some videos I have seen that same dish is cooked just in an open pan, not and then they cover sometime with the lid. Some videos they have shown they cook in a pressure cooker. So I'm going to try with the open pan and then with the lid on. And if I feel that if I need to create a pressure or generate a pressure, then I will put the pressure cooker lid with this whistle also. So let's see how it goes. So on a medium flame, I have put this pressure cooker pan to heat. After it gets enough hot, I'm going to add this ghee. Meanwhile, I will cut these chilies into small pieces, so it should get easily mixed with the mutton further. So I have cut this dried red chilies into small pieces. This pan is enough hot now. I am going to add ghee in this. So I added a half cup of ghee. So I will wait till this ghee get hot. Again, I'm not going to add any spice other than this red chili. So the ghee is enough hot now. I will add mutton in this. This is again a half kilogram of mutton. I will fry this in ghee for say 7-8 minutes, and then I will add the red chilies in this. So it has been say 3-4 minutes, and this mutton is getting cooked in the ghee. I will wait another 3-4 minutes, and then I will add the red chilies. So it has been say 5-6 minutes over. I'm cooking this mutton in the ghee, so it's time to add the dry red chilies. Now also I will add some salt, say 3/4 spoon of the salt, so it will help for the cooking. Now I'll put the lid on. The lid I haven't fixed is as airtight. See, this ring is still above. In case if I feel that it is not getting cooked, then I will of course fix the lid properly and make it airtight. And also if it is needed, I will put that pressure whistle on. But first I'm going to try without the pressure. I think I will put the lid, I will make this airtight, but I will not put the pressure whistle on. After say 8-10 minutes, I will check how much it is cooked and what is the moisture content, and in that case, if it is needed, I will add some water in that. So it has been more than 10 minutes now. Ghee is much dry, so I have to add water now. It got soaked in the mutton. Much of the ghee got soaked in the mutton, so I have to add water because otherwise it will get burned from the bottom. At the moment, I am adding just roughly 3/4 or say half glass of water. Now I will wait say another 15 minutes, and then we'll see the status, how much it has cooked and how much the water got dried, and if I need to put more water or not, we'll see. We'll wait for 15 minutes. So it has been more than 10 minutes now. I just opened this lid. You can see it is kind of boiling. Still there is enough moisture. Now the raw smell of a meat has gone away, and I smell more of a dry red chili, so it's a good thing. And we have to cook till these chilies get very softened and get blend or mix with this mutton. I will put a lid again, wait for another 10-15 minutes. I think I will add a little bit salt more. So the mutton should get cooked. It should taste having well balanced salt, and then the chilies also should get very softened, or it should get like a sauce, or it should get kind of blend with this mutton. So till that we have to cook. So let's wait another 10-15 minutes now. I'll put on the lid. So after 15 minutes I will check the status again. As far as I have seen the videos, many chefs and the cooks, they mentioned that it takes like 1.5 hours. Some chef who cooked on the open pan, they said like it takes 2.5 hours also. So let's see how much time my dish takes to get cooked. So here I have to keep much patience. I have to check the status, how much the water got dried, how much the moisture content got loosened, and then if it is needed more water, then I have to keep adding a little bit small quantity of water, and then keep it getting cooked. So this is how this cooking process takes. It has been like more than 12 minutes now since we opened this lid last time. So I will see the status again. I can see the chilies got more softened now. But I have to wait till it get blend like a mesh or a kind of sauce. So I will add a little bit more water, and then again we'll keep on cooking. So I will add a 1/4 glass of this water, a little bit of water, so that it will not get dry and it will not get burned from the bottom. So this dish looks very easy because it's hardly 4 ingredients, but it's quite challenging because it takes a lot of patience and a lot of time to get cooked, and you have to continuously observe if it is getting dried, and if it is getting dried or getting burned, then you have to add water and then keep cooking. So I will wait another 10 minutes now. Let me put the lid back again and we'll wait 10 minutes now. The mutton is not yet cooked. I think it will take another 30 minutes, half an hour, or a little bit more to get cooked. So we'll see how it goes. So I put the lid on, say we'll see, wait for another 10-12 minutes. Again we'll see the status. Here you see that I have not yet used the pressure vessel. I'm just letting the steam go out because I don't want to get it suppressed. So if it is, let's say after even half an hour, if I find that it is not getting cooked, and the chili has gotten kind of meshed or blend, and still if the mutton wouldn't have get cooked, then I will put the pressure vessel, and then after that I'm sure it will get it cooked fast. So I open up the lid here after 15 minutes. Much water got dried, so I need to add more water now. I can see the chili has started giving its color to the meat also, which is a good sign, but it is quite dry now. Again I have to add a little bit of water. meat is not yet cooked. It will need another maybe half an hour. But I will go in cooking in the same way because it looks fine to me. I think it will give the exact taste what I'm expecting. You can see this, the color of the chili is transferred to the meat. If I put the pressure whistle now, I'm sure it will get cooked in 15 minutes. So I think I'm going to do that. I will wait another 10 minutes and let it cook, and then again I will put in the lid and then put the pressure whistle and will cook it so that it will get cooked faster. Otherwise it may take another 20-25 minutes to cook. After another 10 minutes, we see this color. It's again dried, the water, the moisture gone. Again I have to add a little bit water. So to cook this dish, what we have to do, we are just go on adding a little bit of water so that it will not get burned, and the chili, red chili, get totally merged into the mutton, and it will give that red color to the mutton, and also the flavor of the chilies get totally transferred to the mutton. I have just tasted it. It really, I can taste that flavor of the chili really got totally transferred to the mutton now. I think I will put on the pressure whistles now, so it will get cooked fast. After 15 minutes, I have turned off the flame. I have turned off the flame. I think it must be cooked now, but I have to check after this. The pressure, the steam goes away. I will check if it is cooked or not. In case if it has not cooked, I will again put the lid on, the pressure whistle on, and again I will start cooking. But I think it must be cooked now. So I opened this lid now. You can see this dish is almost ready. The meat is cooked thoroughly. So the flavor of the red chili has got totally transferred into the mutton. Tastes really good, and the ghee also given a lot of taste to the meat. I'm very sure if I would have put the ginger garlic paste and also some of the whole spices, it would have tasted much better for sure. But this I wanted to try because it's an original recipe with red chili, salt and the ghee and the mutton, only 4 ingredients. Thank you.